the dawn is fresh with dew. Aren't you glad you're you?
This is St. Mary's. They've got a problem, so they just dialed 0 for O'Malley. Father O'Malley, that is, and now the situation is well in hand.
I hear the shortest speech you ever heard. This is a holiday. Everybody take the day off.
Meet Sister Benedict, a real match for Father O'Malley, but possessing a rare warmth and persuasiveness that really gets things done.
Come to any conclusion?
Yes. This is going to surprise you. And I do want people to like me. So, I was wondering if you would accept my building.
Here is a great motion picture, a humorous and touching story you'll love and remember.
You know that wherever I am, my heart will always be with St. Mary's.